Yeah, topic is why managing knowledge is never easy. Because my research area is related to somehow knowledge management, which is the top hot issue today's management. Okay, first of all, emergence of knowledge management. It started from the 1991, the famous book written by Nonaka, the knowledge creating company. Ever since that, it is now the hottest topic, one of the hottest topic in recent management. Now, the dilemma is this. So many companies jump into this area. They, first of all, they just start with the huge systems and solutions. And then, now just thinking about how we're going to do, what we're going to do. Because they don't have pretty much ideas about this area. So just they treat the knowledge as other object that they already have, like data, information, as all the other things. So they just try to find out the way how to store, how to capture, how to disseminate this knowledge stuff. And all of a sudden they are stuck and they don't know where to go. That is the dilemma faced by most managers. So, here is the few things I suggest. Actually, everybody knows a few characteristics of the knowledge. Some of them managers already know, but others they actually really don't know. So here is the first explicit knowledge and tacit knowledge. It's introduced by the Nonaka, and now I'm just once again want to talk about share these things with you. Explicit knowledge is pretty much the visible knowledge and externalized and can be articulated. So easy to manage. That's the point. It's like the thing. You can capture, you can store, you can pass it to anyone who wants it. So most people think the knowledge is explicit one. The thing is, most of the explicit knowledge is associated with a tacit dimension, which is invisible, hard to articulate. So naturally, from manager perspective, it is hard to manage, right? Because you don't know how to capture, you don't know where it is, and so because they are mostly within humans' head, right? People's head. So how do you extract, right? Also, another one issue related to this concept is it's enacted by the practices, people's practice. So sometimes people do something, okay, but they don't know how they do it. So that's another dimension of the knowledge, I think. Okay, next one. I think I need more time, but I'm going to wrap it up rapidly. Okay, content knowledge and connection knowledge. Content, knowledge as a thing, it's object. So that's an easy concept. But on the other hand, knowledge is connection. So sometimes you don't know what the knowledge is, what's the content, but you know where it is. You know the person who owns it. So you actually develop the network of knowledge. You can easily connect to these peoples, and you can find how to solve the problems and issues. So that's the important aspect, which many managers actually cannot acknowledge. So, conclusion, okay? Knowledge is a multi-dimensional concept. So you can approach from many other, you can use the many different approach from different dimensions. So okay, so here's the thing. My conclusion is that we need to think about the more complicated aspect of knowledge. That's the key to the successful knowledge management. Thank you.